Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to create diamond pattern using asterisk symbol with Python, C and JavaScript. So, let's start without wasting time. First, with Python. In Python, first, we're going to declare a variable x. We're going to use input built-in function to take input so that we can produce x number of upper rows of the diamond pattern combined with middle row of the pattern. We will be using for loop in Python, C and JavaScript to create patterns. Here, 1 is the initial value, x plus 1 is the final value and 1 is step. For creating diamond patterns we also have to add spaces in front of the asterisk signs. For creating spaces, we have to multiply x minus I with single space. For generating asterisk signs in each row an odd number like 1 in upper and then 3 in second row, we're using formula 2 into I minus 1. Oh! Sorry, I have used the rate sign on the place of 2 in line 4. Here is our output. We're copying our last 2 rows of code and pasting them in line 5. Please remember to remove spaces before second for loop function to avoid error. Now, change the initial value in second for loop function to x minus 1, final value to 1 and step to minus 1 so that we can create lower rows of diamond pattern. Oh! One more mistake, replace final value 1 in line 5 with 0 to get our expected output. Second, C. Here, we again declare a variable x and using scan function to take input. Now, for loop. Here is our upper rows combined with middle row of diamond pattern. Now, we need to also generate pattern lower rows. After copying and pasting the upper rows code to generate lower rows, now we need to change some values to get our expected output. One mistake in line 15, replace less than sign with greater than sign. Third, JavaScript. In JavaScript, we will declare a variable x and use prompt function to take input. Now, using for loop function. Here, all process are same to that of Python, but the difference is that in Python multiplication between integers and strings take place, and to that same thing in JavaScript we will use repeat function. Oh! One mistake in line 5, replace less than sign with greater than sign. Wow! We get our expected output, but wait a minute, there is one error I have made in line 5 again. On the place of 0 write 1. At last, I am sorry for doing lots of mistake while coding and editing the video. Please don't forget to like and share our video, also subscribe our channel and leave your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.